Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I am doing a Cherryz haul, and if you don't know what Cherryz is, it is a app and a website, and they sell everyday items for less. So it's very similar to sort of like Home Bargains, that sort of thing, a lot of like cleaning products and stuff, but they do have other bits and bobs, and I have got a haul to show you. Everything that I have bought came in at under £30, so I got so much stuff, really great value for money and really cheap prices, and all delivered straight to your door. And I did use the app to order this, and I will have a discount code for you guys, so make sure you keep watching, have a look, see what I've got, check out their website or the app, which is so easy to download. Like I say, that's how I did my shopping, and then I will put the discount code at the end for you guys. So I'm going to show you everything that I have bought, and like I say, it came in at under £30, so really good value. Okay, so in case you didn't see my thumbnail for this video, this box is huge, it is really heavy. I did get some essentials that we had run out of, which was really handy. It's just faffy sometimes, especially because we're vegan, trying to get products from different shops to make sure stuff's like not tested on animals and stuff. As much as possible, to the best of my ability, everything here that I will be showing you is cruelty free. I try to double check everything that I purchase, but if I have made a mistake, then obviously it's an honest mistake. But they do have products, it's not just for vegans at all, so there is loads and loads of different things for you guys. You will just need to go and check it out, and you'll be amazed by how much stuff they do have for great value prices. So the first thing I'm going to show you, and I love the scent of apples, and this is apple dustbin fresheners, and from what I can see, it kind of sticks to the top of the bin lid and keeps your bin really fresh. I'm not sure if it says how long it lasts, but I'm really eager to try these. I love the scent of apple, so I think I obviously got carried away, but I did buy 3 packs of these, and I think these were about £1, so then I've got £3 for 6 technically, so hopefully those will last a really long time. I think I bought a bundle as well of washing machine cleaner, which you don't want to see, especially the drawer that pulls out on our washing machine. I don't know what's happened, it looks just disgusting. And so I got 5 boxes of these 2 packs. I will flash on the screen, or I'll put below, because I know that this was like really cheap, especially when I have got literally 5 boxes of like washing machine cleaner. Like this will do me well into like probably spring cleaning even. So I'm definitely well organised for next year now. And I never thought of really needing these. And these are plate covers, and they are microwave safe, but I did see them on the website, and I thought, actually, considering the state of our microwave, and I don't like to clean the microwave, which is definitely obvious, like I'm not even going to show you like a clip, you do not need to see what my microwave looks like, it's on my to-do list. But I think we just need to try and keep on top of once I eventually do clean it. And this was a 2-pack of the plate covers, so hopefully this will keep my microwave a lot cleaner. There will be no food exploding or going anywhere. And I think they were £1 for 2. Most things, to be honest, that I'm going to be showing you were about £1. So I will then show you, I got these 2, they do food things and they do sweets and snacks and all sorts of things. They were a little bit limited because of my diet, but I did find these, and I know my mum really likes these. So originally I bought these coffee things, and I got them both for her birthday. This is Beanie's flavour coffee. There is a cherry chocolate one, which we have no worries about me trying to take this one, because cherry and chocolate, like cherry flavoured things, are just gross. I like fresh cherries, I don't like anything cherry flavoured, so she's definitely getting that, and I know she will love that for her birthday. But then the more I've been thinking, like this one is cookie dough, and they did have loads of different flavours. I know Beanies do loads of really fancy, I think they do Christmas ones, so I don't know if Cherryz will be getting any of the Christmas flavours. And I did think I would be treating my mum by getting her the cookie dough one as well, but the more I'm thinking, like, how nice would that be to make an iced coffee if I bought some like vanilla almond milk or something. So I'm tempted that I need to double check whether this is definitely vegan. It says ingredients are freeze-dried coffee and flavourings, so I'm going to double check, and if it is, I'm not going to lie, I'm probably going to keep this. Sorry mum. So other random bits that I got, I've decided to try some vegan makeup. It is a let me tell you, it's a liquid booster, Away We Glow, and I have never used anything like this, so I don't honestly know how it was. I think this was £4, so I don't know how that is compared to price on the market, but I just thought it sounded fancy, it looked pretty, and so I'm gonna try it and see if it makes me glow or however it works. I will have some experimenting, and maybe in future videos you'll see me with a lovely shimmery glowing face, hopefully. And I did with decorating for autumn, I did get some removable decorating clips, which were so much more reasonable. These sort of things on the market are quite expensive, even though they are really good quality and great products. It's just when you buy the named brands, they can come in quite expensive. So with decorating for autumn and stuff, and I don't want to be putting loads of holes in the walls, I got these sticker hooks, and I got 2 packs of these. I've already, because I've been decorating for autumn today, I have actually opened a pack already and started putting stuff on the walls. They are quite small, if you can see, but they will be good for just hanging small little things. These hold up to 200 grams, and there is 12 in a pack, and like I say, I did get 2 packs of these. And then I picked up 2 bottles of this, the Pink Stuff Star Drops Miracle Toilet Cleaner. It does actually say it's vegan, and of course I don't know why my husband does this, but I think it's because he doesn't actually ever clean the toilet, and it for some reason always falls on my shoulders to do it. But he only ever buys like 1 bottle at a time when he does like the food shopping and stuff. And I think that's literally because he doesn't ever do it. So he only thinks to buy 1 bottle, even though we have 2 toilets, and I get so frustrated because I'm having to carry it up and down the stairs and share a bottle in between like the downstairs and the upstairs toilet. So I have made sure to buy 2 of these just to make my life easier. I don't know about you guys, but within our household it does seem like naturally certain chores fall onto certain person's shoulders. So I do a lot of like the laundry folding, I seem to be the one that cleans the toilets and does all that sort of thing, and then he does a lot of the cooking, and I try and get him to do the dishwasher because I don't like dealing with like gooey food, especially like cleaning the high chair down after baby-led weaning. But I'm just interested if other people have that in their household, or if they do take it in turns and completely share all the chores. But at least for now this will make my life easier, that I will have 1 for the downstairs and 1 for the upstairs toilet, so the chores that I am doing will be slightly easier. And then one thing that I do always end up doing a lot of is laundry. It's not as bad now because Oakley is starting to wean, and he is eating normal food, that his toilet issue, his situation without, I don't want to like gross you guys out, but basically like baby poop, like newborn poop, is bright yellow. It may be, I don't think it is if you don't breastfeed, I think it's different, but it's like mustard. And I'm so sorry guys, I know we're talking about poop, but it stains everything. If you don't soak it straight away, it just stains everything. And so I use this stuff a lot, I go through it a lot. These are actually smaller tubs than I actually normally would have. I usually have a much bigger tub, but this is actually more convenient because it then isn't in the way, and I can put 1 in the cupboard. So I did actually buy 2 of them because we just go through so much. He doesn't stain clothes as much anymore because if he does have an explosion, it's just different than newborn sort of explosions, and it's not this yellow, the most stubborn stain I have ever had to deal with laundry ever. And this stuff is really good, and it is also certified as vegan. It's got the little vegan logo on, and it's Good Housekeeping Institute approved, so it's got awards and stuff. And this is just handy that it is in small convenient tubs that I can hide in the bathroom for when I'm soaking stuff in the sink. And one other thing that I got is this Flora, and I don't usually use stuff like this very often. I only use it to soak the towels that I've been like cleaning stuff with. They're like dishcloths. them sort of things. But the fact that it said it was spice plum, I mean, I've actually been wanting to smell this. I know these sort of things do smell really good, and it's obviously concentrated disinfectant, and I'm hoping this is going to be super like Christmassy. It's not as Christmassy as I was hoping for, although obviously it will do the job and it will disinfect stuff like I need it to, and not as yeah, not as Christmassy as I was hoping it would be, but it will do the job. And yes, I'm quite happy to use that for just the small disinfecting tasks that I need it to do. And it's a nice small bottle that will fit in my cupboard in the upstairs bathroom, just to keep out the way of the kids and stuff. And then I did pick up this for the kids. So this is transfer paper, if you can see. We are actually home educating Bo from this year, and I was thinking not only would this be a really nice thing to do, but it might be a nice ICT sort of computer learning sort of thing, that he can kind of learn more about technology and how stuff works. So there is 2 packs and they are A4 size, so I'm going to buy them some plain t-shirts and then let them kind of create their own thing. And I think this will be a really nice fun activity to do with the kids, and it can be a learning activity as well. And then a staple in any house that just seems to be a cleaning like marvel, it just seems to fix everything. I recently used baking powder to fix my cream like ottoman, and it was so filthy, and I can't believe the amazing job the baking powder did. So I did pick up 2 huge things of baking soda. This is just so handy, and I'm pretty sure this is the same thing that is in Shake and Vac. So with one of them I might actually add some essential oils and make my own Shake and Vac. I need to double check that that's actually what I am thinking of. We're still kind of doing toilet training and stuff, so it helps like soak up like smells and everything until we can get the laminate flooring and we can get rid of this carpet that has gone through way too much toilet training. And there's only so many times I can clean a carpet from accidents, but really handy huge tubs that will hopefully last a really long time, and they just seem to be useful for everything, for like cleaning kitchens, getting grime off and putting down sinks and stuff, and just it seems to be really good for so many different things. And let me just check, because I do think that is everything. So that was everything for my haul, and this all came to under £30. I will try and put a list down below of it actually what individual items cost, so you guys can see, and then you can go check out the app or the website if you would like. And if you would like a discount, then use the code rainbows20 for 20% off your first order. I think they represent really fantastic value for money. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more homemaking content, and I do have lots of autumnal and Christmas content coming up soon, which I hope you guys will stick around to see. And thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video.